What's up, guys? Phil here from Furious Technology. Okay, I don't know what the hand thing was, but you know what? It's new. I'm trying this new intro thing. I got the whole new setup and stuff. I gotta go with it. We are looking at the K2 Pro from Onokuma. I'm not really sure what Onokuma is, but let's be honest, it's probably made in China. So we're gonna actually find out if it's any good. It says professional gaming headset. Professional. Are you a professional? I'm a professional. I don't know who's a professional, but this is for professionals. You better be a professional if you want to use this. Let's go ahead and take a look on the box. Dynamic sound for all games, noise canceling microphone, comfort cushions, separate volume controls. I feel like it has it all. It has it all. This also does have 7.1 surround sound. 7.1. That's a lot of numbers to go around that it's gonna surround me. I don't know if we need 7, but we got 7.1. Let's go ahead. This one does have LEDs on it, and you know what? When you got LEDs on your headset, you are automatically cooler than everyone else. Let's go take it out of the box right here. That's all we got. Nothing else. Oh, we got more accessories that I might like in case I want to spend more money. Don't need that right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual headset itself. We've got, ooh, it's pretty big, it's pretty cool. All right, let's see, what does this all do and which way does it actually go, left or right? Where is it? I don't even know. Or right, where does it say? I'm just gonna have to assume right now, guys. All right, it's probably going this way. Whoo, that is some noise canceling. I can't hear you guys. Can you guys hear me? I can't hear you, I can't hear you. All right, this thing adjusts pretty nicely. We got a USB on here and we got some little headset stuffs that we can plug into certain areas wherever we plug them into. You can use this on the Xbox, the Nintendo Wii, the PlayStation, probably your PC. You could probably use this in your car if you've got a gaming device in your car. Why not? Why not? We got the mute switches here. We got the volume control and stuff all right here. This seems like it's pretty good. It seems like it's a pretty good headset. It's pretty comfortable. This does plug into USB so we can get some lights. I'm gonna go plug this in so we can see these lights light up. Let's go ahead and do that. Wait a second. What is this box doing here? Let's get this box out of here. As my light goes out, I'm hitting my lights out, guys. All right, I gotta go fix my lights and we'll plug this headset in.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
We got lights. We got LED lights. Check out these blue lights on here. Oh my gosh. All right, let's put this on here. There we go. Oh my gosh, now I can't hear you guys again. This should be good. I'm liking it. The actual comfort is actually pretty good. I'm liking that. The quality, although this little LED right here, I feel like it kinda maybe looks like it's in my eye or something. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna always look at this little LED. You don't actually have to plug in the USB if you don't want to. So if you don't want these lights lighting up, then you don't have to. Whoa, that was like the biggest fly in the world just flew across and wrecked our video here, guys. So I don't know about these LEDs. We'll probably shut those off while we're actually playing the game itself, just because can you really see blue LEDs while you're actual gaming? Unless you're worried about people coming in, you thinking you're all cool because you got blue LEDs on your actual ears. I don't think I'll actually use them. So we'll stick with the LEDs off. I'm actually gonna go ahead and we're gonna just go game. We're gonna actually just go ahead and game for an hour and we're gonna see how these actually sound like. So I'll see you guys in an hour, but I mean, well, it's the internet. It's gonna be just like, bam, we are back, guys. And oh my gosh, they do sound actually quite amazing. I'm actually quite shocked of the surround soundness. I was playing some Apex Legends with these and let me say, they don't make you a better player. I died so many different times, but you know what? I heard all the stuff around me. That's the best thing about these surround sound. Totally cancels out the noise all around me. I had people talking behind me. I didn't even hear them, and they said that I was yelling at the screen. I mean, when I'm dying a lot in Apex Legends, of course I'm yelling at the screen, but you can definitely hear the stuff that's around me. You can hear people walking here. You can hear people walking here, everywhere. So they actually do work quite well. I was communicating with people online as well. No problems from what they said. So I have to actually say, this headset is pretty good, and for the price, that it is. It's only like 25 or 30 bucks. I'll link it in the description box below if you guys want to check out the current pricing of it. But I would definitely recommend it. I think it's a great headset. Works with, like I said, Nintendo Switch, PS4, PC, Xbox, all that stuff. You got to make sure it's compatible with. It is compatible with all that stuff, guys. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have this headset or if you want this headset. Comment down below and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.